Welcome back. So in this section we will concentrate on different type of weights available in WebDriver, and this is also one of the most important concept which you need to concentrate. Let me create new test, new Python file, and I would say it as weight demo. Okay, so first, why do we need weight in Selenium? Now, when you are actually working on any web page, now to demonstrate this concept, I am going to use one more application called Green Cart, where you can buy vegetables and order it to your home. So you can access this application using rahulshettyacademy.com website, and in that website you have a Selenium practice app and you can navigate with this URL. Okay, so no matter which application you are working on, when you try to manually complete the flow, sometimes it takes few seconds to load the data. Now for example, I will actually add few items to cart. This is how you can add items. Okay, and if you want to search any vegetables, then you could try in search box so that specific related vegetables are displayed here, and you can add to cart. And then once you have added, you can open your cart window and then proceed to checkout. So here these are the different items you added, and right now you don't have any discount. Total amount is 380. So if you have given promo code Rahul Shetty Academy, and then you will have some discount. So try to apply it, and you see that it's taking some time to get that discount, and then you will see a message like this: promo code applied successfully. Okay, and then you have a discount. But problem here is, when you click on apply, it have taken some time initially to display this promo code applied successfully text. But how would you tell to your automation script to wait until that text is displayed? Your goal is to click on this apply button and grab the text displayed after discount is applied. Okay, basically the text whatever we saw now. So Selenium will come and click on apply button, but it did not have text. It has to wait some time to see the text, and then only it displayed and you can use it. So when you test it manually, you will know you have to wait because something is going on. But how would your automation script know how to wait? So that's why we have different type of wait mechanisms we can use to achieve this functionality, and we will wait until that text is displayed. Okay, that can be achieved in multiple ways. There are two type of weights available: implicit weight and then explicit weight. We can also pass the test. We have seen this scenario: pass the test for a few seconds using time class, right? So we will try to achieve the same functionality using, mainly these two are the different weights Selenium provides. Third one is something which we take from Python. Selenium have no connection with that. I think we already did it in UI controls. No, not here. Where did we do that example? Yeah, here you go. Time.sleep 2 seconds. So this belongs to Python, and Selenium have nothing to do here. But the Selenium WebDriver also provides us some weights which we gonna discuss in this section. So overall goal here is to understand how to do that separately with implicit weight, how to achieve that test whatever scenario I have shown separately with explicit weight, and then we will talk advantages and disadvantages of both implicit and explicit, and when to use what. Okay, that can be achieved in two ways, and at the end we will discuss which is the best way, on what scenario which way to use. So for now, let's try to understand with implicit weight first. But before that, you have to write this automation script, right? You have to write script till this point where text is displayed, and then you can apply weight on it. So first of all, let's build the script. All right. So our goal here is to first build script and see where it is failing, and then we'll fix that failure with weights. Once by implicit and next by explicit. Perfect. So that's the goal. From our next lecture, let's start writing that script to reach that functionality. Okay. Thank you.